Hi everyone! We bought a...
Inside Out 2 donut.
Where? In the Krispy Kreme.
Yep.
You show them na. Go. You show them. What? Very shy. Sige na. So Faria's... What? I'll talk. So Faria's gonna show you the donuts. You show the box first. You show the box. We posted a picture of this in Mama's Facebook, but unfortunately, naupuan namin siya sa likod. Pero buo pa rin naman siya. So these are the donuts. We got Joy. Ito si Joy. And this is the logo of the Inside Out. So I think ano naman siya? Edible. Yeah, I think it's edible. Ano siya oh? Marinilig niyo. Malinis ang kamay ko ah. So ano siya? Tigas. So, Faria, anong gusto mo unang tikman? What do you wanna try first?
This.
Si RT? Si OMG? Si Disgusting? Or, the OMG? You want OMG? Huh?
This is a...
Yeah. You want OMG? Oh, go. Let's try it.
This is... Who is this?
I think Disgust. I'm not sure. Oh, you go na.
No, the name is Eevee.
Eevee.
Eevee is my favorite. That's why she loved latest.
Okay, I'll pick this one, the angry. This one, the bored one.
Yeah.
I'll eat this.
And
I'm gonna try this.
I eat the cookie.
Yeah, you show them OMG.
Here's the OMG and it's a cookie.
Yeah.
The name of this is disgusting.
No. It's a cookie. Candy.
Candy pala.
I'm not gonna eat this. Or can I eat? Can I eat this? No. Can I eat this? It has hole pala. It's like a glazed donut. Then they put some cream on top. And then they put this. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Which is good. Kasi ayoko masyadong matamis sa donut.
Mom, do it's healthy. Yes.
No, it's not. But good thing it's not too much.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Because
I don't know.
sometimes candies are not too much sweet.
I really like the Joy. Let me show you guys. Let me show to them.
Me too. I love the joy.
Joy. This is my name.
Yeah. You're always happy like joy.
Yeah. I'm happy because of you. Because of you.
Mom, they're both scared. And
Yeah.
I think they're brothers.
This is sad though.
This is what their friend is eating.
Inside out to na ano. Parang Insidious.
How did they make it correct?
I don't know.
Like that.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Maybe they practice.
This is dirty na. I don't know.
I love this.
I show to them.
Here's the... And then I remember the cake. I mean the candy. And then eat the cake.
Why are you not eating the donut?
No later pa. Or yesterday. I forgot.
Sarap. Hindi siya matamis.
Me too.
You pick one. You choose talaga.
I'm Joy.
No, that's babies.
Can you picture me with this?
With Joy?
Yeah. Where's your cell phone?
Kapag.
Bag? Where's your bag?
No.
Me with Joy. Oh.
Mag-selfie ka na lang. So, bye guys.
Yeah.
No, I don't like selfie. I like picture. But your